2020. Were you working on that day?
Yes.
At approximately 3:34 p.m., did you receive a reservation made under the name of Ingolf Tuerk?
Yes. From what I recall, I let Mr. Tuerk into the hotel to check in, and I checked him in. And then I recall Mrs. Tuerk coming into the hotel afterwards.
Directing your attention to May 15th of 2020, did you become involved with an investigation in Dover?
Yes.
And on May 15th, what type of investigation was it?
At that time, it was a missing person investigation.
And what was your role?
I was assigned to be the case officer.
What, if anything, happened later in the day on May 16th?
So later in the day, I went to Norwood Hospital. So at that time, I had an interview with the defendant.
I noticed you do have some scratches on your legs, your arms. What happened?
I have no idea. I don't remember. She was angry, really angry. I didn't explain.
It's been good. Short term.
As a reaction to the aggressive aggression situation. She passed out.
She passed out.
She was fighting first. I was continuing, and she passed out and realized she was far apart. Panicked and said, I need to put her somewhere. So,
You throw someone in the water?
yeah, she's in the water.
She is in water?
Yes.
Like a lake or a pond?
A pond.
Wow, where is this pond?
It goes around the corner. I may have put a rock on top of her, but I'm not sure. I really loved her. Sorry.
All right, so that was a look back at day number 4. We're still waiting for the jury to be brought into the courtroom to hear this case. Let's talk about it, though. Let's talk about how realistic it may be for this doctor to get something lesser from the jury than murder. The Commonwealth wants murder here. But is it possible that he could walk away with a manslaughter conviction? Let me bring in someone who does criminal defense work. She served as a prosecutor, and she's a part-time magistrate judge as well. Kimberly Banto is here. Okay, Judge, putting on your defense attorney hat here, what do you think about the strategy where they're not denying that he did this, but they're really trying to paint the picture that this was a bad moment for Dr. Tuerk?
No, they need to give him that because they know there was a dispute and it was between those two people and she's no longer here. So that's a given. So now you need to give them a reason to not believe it was murder. So you need to paint her out to be the aggressor. She was attacking me. I was only defending myself. I didn't intend to kill her. I intended to defend myself. And for that, it would be an involuntary type manslaughter charge, would be appropriate because I didn't mean to kill her, but it happened in the heat of the passion of the moment.
Sure. Obviously, we're not privy to any plea negotiations, Judge, if there have been any. My experience tells me I bet they were unwilling to offer any kind of manslaughter on the facts. If that's the case, do you think he's smart to go ahead and roll the dice and see what he gets from the jury?
Yeah, absolutely, because he has a good defense. And so if they were offering something that was not less than murder, then he should, because the jurors, they can see it. Everybody has experiences that they bring into their jury box, and that could be one of them, that I've had a fight, and I didn't intend for my wife or husband to get hurt, but I kind of pushed her off of me, and she hit her head. So somebody might have that, or a family member, or any kind of thing. They watch movies, you watch Lifetime, so they know that those kind of situations occur. And so I would, if they didn't offer me anything that what I thought was appropriate for the scenario.
You'd try the case.
Yeah.